Clean the engine bay on this Jeep. What Jeep? Something limited? Jeep Cherokee. Jeep Cherokee. So this is what it looks like before. Come on. That's dirty. That's dirty. This is dirty. This whole thing's dirty. So we're going to clean it up. This is the water after the first pass. Look at this. Yeah. Disgusting. That was a yellow brush. Was. Okay, so this is after rinsing everything down, wiping it all off. All these lines are cleaner now. Hoses, electrical connections. Now we're going to give it a coat of kind of a wax thing. The same stuff that we use on the tires will go on all of the black plastic here to give it a nice shine like that one. And there you have it. Nice clean engine bay. It took all about half an hour. Right on.